Hi, I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your corner roller wheels. To change your wheels out on your corner roller, you will need a 7/16 nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. To assemble your corner roller wheels, take your bolt, sleeve bushing, apply the sleeve bushing over the bolt, metal wheel with the cup facing towards the bolt head, Delrin wheel over top of the metal, and then your washer. You'll have 4 wheels. Take your 7/16 nut driver. These are going to be tight. Reverse out your old wheels. If you find it's too tight to do by hand, you can do them in a vise. Now that your old corner roller wheels are out, you can put your new ones in. Make sure when you tighten them, you go down nice and tight. Once you've placed your new wheels on your corner roller, they should offset each other evenly, creating a V down the center channel. If you notice that your wheels aren't offset properly, you can check the tightness, make sure it's screwed down tight enough. If it is, if you need to raise it a little bit, you can put your flathead screwdriver under and bend it a little bit until it sits nicely even with all the wheels. Thank you for watching today's repair video. For more instructional videos, please go to columbiatools.com.